Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I will be doing a 24-hour challenge in the house like right beside me. So it's in blocks right now, of course. So I'm in a server right now and I have perms to get into this house because I'm living in the guest house. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get in without her spotting me. And I'm gonna have to keep my mood up. I just need to see if she has a back door that I can quickly squeeze through. Cause I don't know if she has like a back door or anything. Okay. So I'm gonna have to quick. Oh my god! I can steal her car, but I don't want to do that. I'll get into here. Oh, she doesn't have a door. Shoot. Oh no, she can't. She can't go. I don't know what I'm gonna do because if she sees me, I can't even get in. Okay. I'm gonna turn off all of her power. Run over here and hide. What's gonna happen? Okay, well, I'm gonna try to drive her car. Driving her car. Like literally. I'm driving her car away. It's really scary because I have someone else's car. It's not even mine. I just stole someone's car. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. My friend is not in it. I just feel so bad for like stealing a car that's not even mine. Like literally, this car is not even mine. Wait. Garbage bags. Quick, drive away. Drive away! It's so bad for doing this to people. So if any of the people that I'm doing this to, this is not supposed to be something rude, okay? I'm just doing this for my fans, if I even have any. I can't keep her arms to the car. I just feel so bad when I'm stealing someone's car. Like, she was so nice to me. She didn't even bother us. I'm actually gonna have to go and return this back. I want her to get mad at me because I stole her car. I feel really bad for doing this because I don't. I just feel so bad. I don't know if I haven't uploaded in a while, but if you guys love my channel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Anything. one though. She's not. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna try to do that. Sit emote glitch. Because I know that a lot of people like to do this glitch. Okay, how do you guys do this? How do you do this? So you guys do emotes, right? If you guys can comment down how to do this, that will help me so much, because I got in. I got in. Gosh. Got it! Okay. I don't think that this girl's home yet. So, but the 24-hour challenge starts now. Okay, so if she catches me, that would be so bad, because then she might even say, okay, we're not having this house anymore. Because I have a house in this home. Wait, what the? Oh, that thing just. So no one's gonna know that I'm in this. And if you guys just want to find me on any game, just search up my account named KittenCookie18 up here, and then send a friend request, and I'll see if I can accept it. But if I can't, I'm really sorry. She's home. I didn't think that she would be home. Scared now. As if she sees me, I'm gonna be in a lot of trouble. Hide in the bathroom. I'm just gonna use some of her makeup. Shut all the doors that I'm hiding in, and then doesn't see my quote-unquote own house. I'm really scared now. What if she kind of hurts me? Really? 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 Right when I'm in like the middle of my own video, she leaves. I'll be right back, guys, okay? Okay, so I am playing Bubblegum Simulator now. And, I don't really know what I'm supposed to be. Look at the shop. I don't have enough Robux for any of these. What? 5 Robux? I just got 100. Guys. This game is getting a little weird. So sad. Find something. Let's find something else to play, okay? Okay, so I decided that we can maybe like react or just watch this. So it's by Megan Place and it's called New. I can't believe what I got from the new World High Wheel. So let's watch it. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll put this on just in case you guys hear it. Okay. Okay, this is kind of boring. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are going to be reacting to Toy. If it has one warning, I am not responsible for this, okay? I promise. Let's just watch. Okay, what is this?